Hello, this is a Plateprep platform that we have developed, and on this you can see that this is a restaurant management and dish preparation system, and it is a complete SaaS-based system that completely focused on the workflow of the particular restaurants. So if I go through each of one of these, you can see this is a landing page that defines information about this Plateprep platform, and you can see all the sections that explain all the workflows of the platform. If we move next, these are the couple of pages like about us page, request a demo page, you can see here, and also a contact page. If we further dive into the functionality of this platform, so I will click on the dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard for the restaurant owner, and you can see here he can see a couple of stats here. This is a dashboard. It shows the stat of different team, total user, total dishes, staff, task, all the stats has been shown here. If we move next, this is a recipes section, and you can see here these are the recipe that has been listed down here. If I click on the add new recipe, I have two options, manual and AI generated. If I click on the manual, you can see here I can fill up all the information relevant to the recipe, and after completing all the information, this recipe would be added to the recipe list. And you can see here, these are all the recipes. All these images are generated by the AI using all the descriptions and the ingredients and all the processes of the recipes. And if I go to the detail of particular recipe like this one, and you can see here we have a cuisine type, prep type, dish type. This is a food cost calculator. These are all the ingredients. These are essential tools to make this ingredient, and this is a preparation step generated through the AI and how this recipe can be created. Okay, so if I go back, we have a couple of options here like archive. Okay, and if I archive this will be added to the archive list. Okay, so you can see here we have different filters, we have different restaurant location. We can filter out based on the restaurant locations of cuisine types. After generating all the recipes that has been listed down here, we have another feature that is the menu analyzer. And if I open this one, add new menu analyzer, you can see here I can drop a menu here, and after dropping a menu it will extract all the information of the menu including recipes and ingredients. If I go to the detail of particular menu, you can see here these are the categories of the menu of particular menu like enjoy more, wines by glass, course by three. Like we have a menu that has soups, desserts. So it basically extract all these things from the menu, okay, and put it down here with the type of, like in the wines we have what are the options that we are providing, course to what are the options like grilled chicken add-on, vegetable residue. All these options has been extracted from a single menu image. We have menu matrix that calculates based on the pricing of the ingredients. Okay, and this is a pricing slip. I can adjust this one based on the food cost. So basically this is the current price of particular recipe. I can change that and calculate the food cost. Okay, you can see here the values will be changed accordingly. These are the ingredient prices. Okay, if I click on this one, Okay, how particular, it will show me the ingredient price of the particular uh, we are using a food recipe, and it will show down here all the ingredient prices of each. Here comes recommendations, and there is the AI system, all the recommendation that which recipe is making profit based on the ingredient cost. This is a complete menu analyzer. You can upload a menu and you can completely get a guide of either this menu is making profit or not. If I go to the next, this is a wine inventory, and we can add here all the details of the wine. After filling up this one, okay, all the wine inventory will be shown down here. If I want to show you, this is a complete inventory. Here we also have wine. Okay, you can see here the list of all the wines inventory. These are food ingredients. This is basically inventory of a particular restaurant. So these are categorized into different like cold storage, dry storage, into different categories. And I can also add a new inventory here by filling up all the information that has been listed down here. If I go next, these are the tasks. I can add new tasks, or tasks will be listed down to particular chef, to particular staff of a restaurant. I can assign that. Okay. If I go next, these are the prep list. These are the daily tasks, and these are the items that should be prepared, and I can mark this one. Okay, this is prepared. This is also prepared. I can mark as completed. I can also add a new prep list, and we are also generating through using AI. When a menu is uploaded on menu analyzer, all the items that needs to be prepared, it will be listed down here, and we can see that how much has been completed on daily task. If I go next, this is the order guide. You can see here these are all the ingredients that we purchase from vendor. Okay, like chicken breast will have to purchase from vendor. All other stuff will be listed down here, so restaurant know that what we have to buy today or in a weekly from different vendors. Okay, these are the purchase orders. How many we have in purchase order? This is the pricing trend of different ingredients that we have purchased from the different vendors. If I go to next, these are the scheduling and release management. We are adding particular days like New Year Eves, okay, different days, Independence Day. If we want to release some particular recipe, we can schedule that dish and we can release that on particular date. And these are scheduled tasks that we also define here. Then we have a restaurant location. We can define here all the restaurant locations here. Add new location of a particular restaurant. You can add details here and it will be listed down here. You know that a single restaurant may have multiple locations. These are users. We can add new user based on the roles. These are the roles that has been defined. We can also set the permission of particular role. You can see here. We can define a role, and we can set permission. What are the things this role has access to? This is basically a user management module. And if we go next, this is a tracking. This show complete software, what is happening, which user is deleted, which user has created recipe. It will completely track all the events that has been happening in this software. These are the video generation. You can see here. Okay, I can generate a particular recipe video here. Okay, I can select the video, and AI video will be generated at how we can prepare this recipe. You can see here all the demos has been listed down here. There are other stuff like settings and how to. This is a learning tab, that how we can use this platform. For now we have placed dummy video, but you can upload here all the videos that will show how you can use this platform, and super editing will manage these things. Hope you will like this. This is a complete software solution for the restaurant owner.